Hi, this is Andrew from DCL TEK. We specialize in high-quality display solutions. A display solution is typically made up of an LCD, a touch panel, some enhancements that are application-specific, all the way through custom computing modules and full assembly. We'll enhance them in a way that makes them work in a way that the original manufacturers did not intend to, and turn them into our clients' dream product. Our customers are typically industrial OEMs that are embedding our products into a solution that they manufacture. A kiosk, a tablet, a mobile device of some sort, a medical device, a military device. Our OEMs are widespread and generally use our products for their user interface needs. A lot of people watching this video think they can bolt a standard off-the-shelf monitor or an iPad or another tablet into their application. You don't want to do that. You want to look at something with longevity, support, industrialized, so it's right for your application.